What's up, everybody? Today I'll be showing you how I got started into hiking. Last year I was physically and mentally exhausted. I wanted to start this year on a positive change in my life. I decided to look into hiking since I already enjoy going on walks and I want to explore more places. The most common misconception about hiking is that you have to get all the hiking gear before starting. This is the wrong approach and you don't have to worry about it. Just take things slow, and for me personally, I just focus on picking simple hiking trails and enjoying the beauty of nature. Because of that, I have lost over 20 pounds and it was the best exercise decision I have ever made for myself. I will show you what type of hiking stuff I usually bring with me, as well as showcasing my past hiking adventure. In the beginning, you can start with running shoes on easy flat trails. I wouldn't recommend using them on rocky terrains because that's very dangerous and you can easily slip and fall on them. Once you get the hang of it and feel like you're ready to take on rough terrain, I highly recommend getting hiking boots. They're worth an investment if you're serious about hiking. I got these boots from Allison Whittles. The most important thing is getting a bottle of water. I got the stainless steel bottle from Amazon. On that hiking day, it was really hot, so I always bring my hat with me, as well as putting sunscreen on my face. Another thing to keep in mind is the parking situation, especially when you're researching your new hikes and everything. Make sure you know the fees of parking, or maybe it's free. So it's best to know in advance. For every hiking trail, make sure to check the activity and information board. Usually it contains about different hiking trails you go on and any type of current events you must be aware of. That was fun. Done about 6 miles and it was a really great hike. If you'd like to see more of my lifestyle, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for joining me. Bye.